In this video, I am going to show you how I grew a lemon plant using a simple and natural method at home. First, I prepared a pot with rich soil. Then I added organic compost to make the soil more nutritious. To boost the growth naturally, I mixed in fresh aloe vera, a powder natural fertilizers that help roots grow faster and stronger. After mixing everything well, I gently placed the lemon in the soil. Garlic add and mixed it. And radish, cut it and little pieces, mixed it in soil. Then I mixed it onion, cut it and a little pieces, mixed in soil. I add water. After mixing everything well, I gently placed the lemon in the soil. Prepared lemon for growth. Now aloe vera, lemon and aloe vera rub. And then I cut aloe vera gel. This is natural aloe vera. This is not far from bazaar and market. Now I rub lemon on aloe vera and I fix it in pot. Now I watered. Then I covered the pot with a transparent plastic jar. This helps create a mini greenhouse effect, keeping the moisture and warmth inside. And then I waited. After 14 days, something amazing happened. The lemon started developing pressure inside and tiny green shoots began to appear. New leaves slowly came out, showing the beginning of a new life. Nature is powerful. With just a little care, patience, and love, even a simple lemon can grow into a beautiful plant. If you enjoyed this natural growing experiment, don't forget